What's up, YouTubers? This is Eric from Music Computer Solutions. We're going to do the ultimate audio test today, guys. I got all these devices right here, and we're going to play some music, and we're going to listen and see which device King Supreme when it comes down to audio. So I got the OnePlus 3 dial firing speaker, right? I have the Axon 7 front-facing speakers, the Nexus 6P front-facing speakers, the Nexus 6 front-facing speakers. I got the Motorola X Pure Edition front-facing speaker. Then we got the Honor 8 bottom-facing speaker, right? So today, guys, I'm going to play a song on each device so y'all guys can listen and see which device sound the best. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, so let's get right into it, right? So I got all the devices pulled up here, and we're going to play us a little non-copyright music, right? We're going to pull up all non-copyrighted music here off of YouTube. So today, y'all guys can hear which device sound the best. So today, let's go ahead and get started. What? The OnePlus 3. Make sure we got it all the way up. Yes. Nice and loud. Downward speaker. Sound good. Sound very good. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the Axon 7. All the way up. The Axon 7 sound better than the OnePlus 3. The OnePlus 3 was louder than the Axon 7, but yeah, the Axon 7 sounds a lot better as far as clarity. All right, so we heard that one. Then look, I got notifications coming in. Here we go. Front facing speakers, Nexus 6P. Volume all the way up. All right, so the Nexus 6P, guys, is not as loud as the Axon 7 and not as loud as the OnePlus 3. All right, so we're going to hit the Nexus 6. Nexus 6, guys. All the way up. The Nexus 6P is louder than the Nexus 6, but the OnePlus 3 and the Axon 7 was the loudest. The Axon 7 was clearer. All right, so let's go ahead and go with the Motorola X Pure Edition. The Motorola X Pure Edition . I can tell you that the Motorola X Pure Edition sounds very clear. I like the audio that's coming out of this device. All right, so that was the Motorola X Pure Edition, and let's go ahead and hit with the Honor 8. Make sure the Honor 8 is all the way up. Oh God, the Honor 8, guys, is very, very minute right now. It's not loud at all. Yes, the Honor 8 is not even close, guys. So the Honor 8 definitely audio is not loud. It sounds okay, but it's not loud. All right, so right now we got the two top dogs right here, which is the Axon 7 and the OnePlus 3. So let's go on and play these two devices again so y'all guys can see which one is King Supreme. So we're going to hit the OnePlus 3. OnePlus 3. Wow, the OnePlus 3 is very loud. All right, so the Axon 7, you can hear the highs, the mids, and the bass a little clearer than the OnePlus 3. Yeah, so the Axon 7 give you that overall well-rounded experience right now. Yes. The OnePlus 3 is definitely louder, but it doesn't give you that round, welded experience. It's definitely loud. Man, this is loud. All right, so the OnePlus 3 is loud, but the Axon 7 give you that wild, that round, balanced experience. All right, guys, so there you have it. In my opinion, the Axon 7 gives you the best quality sound, and the OnePlus 3 gives you the loudness. The Nexus 6P with the front-facing speakers also give you very good sound, but it's not as loud as these two over here. The Nexus 6 also give you okay sound, front-facing speakers, but it does not give you that more quality sound like the Axon 7. The Motorola X Pure Edition was also sounding pretty good, actually louder than the Nexus 6P and louder than the Nexus 6, but it don't give you that round welded experience like the Axon 7. And the Honor 8 is done. You couldn't get that much of a loud sound, and it sounds okay, very teeny. You know, it's okay. So right now, guys, I want to kind of deem the winner as the Axon 7 because you got that good crisp, real wound experience on the Axon 7 when it comes down to listening to quality audio on this device, guys. So your champ in the audio test is the Axon 7. All right, guys, this is Eric from Music Computer Solutions. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these devices. See you guys on the next video. Peace.